In this video, we're looking at what we call transformations. So there are three main transformations, and these are known as translation, which involves sliding a shape in one direction. It could be any direction, doesn't have to be just in that downwards right position there, like, as you can see in the example. But it involves just moving the shape. Nothing else happens to the shape, it's just moved. The second one is what we call reflection, which involves flipping a shape. Alright, so as you can see, there's a line in red there. We've flipped the shape over that line. Alright, so that is a reflection. Imagine you look at it in a mirror, it's a reflection. The next one is rotation, and rotation involves spinning a shape. So as you can see, that's been spun around a point, so it's obviously this is the main point, and it's spinning 90 degrees around that point. Now, these are called congruency transformations because you have an original shape and then you're making an image of that shape. So if we go back up here to look at this here, this triangle, the first one here, that is our original shape. Now, the next shape is our image. So we're going to look at some examples here. So we've only got two examples that we need to cover today. So most of the questions revolved around this involve moving a shape in some way. The most important part is identifying what's the transformation that's occurred. So in that first example there with the P, you can see that it's the only thing that has occurred is it is moved directions. So we would call that translation. Because all that's happened is that there's a slide effect going on. It's been moved from one spot to the other. Now again, remember, this is my original, and this is my image. The next one. This time it's a bit different. The arrow doesn't necessarily mean that we've got a translation going on. We're just saying that we're going from this shape to this shape in this case. So if I drew a dotted line down the middle here, as you can see, it's been reflected across that line. So this is reflection. And again, original and image. So quickly recap, you've got your three main transformations. You've got the translation, which is just sliding, it's just moving it around. Reflection, which involves flipping the shape, it's a reflection of the original. And finally, rotation, which involves spinning a shape at a set point. So in this case, it was the bottom right corner.